Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maputo Mallu. This is Sujoman Jose. In this video, I'll go to Costa del Sol, which is the seaside over here in Maputo, and it's very beautiful. All the way I'll show you Baira Mall and the people who has come for the morning walk, all those things. The surprise is I'll be traveling in this cycle today. Okay, this is not mine, it's my friend's cycle, and he's a fitness freak. His name is Nitin. So I'll be traveling with him. He'll be there with me. So we'll be going in the cycle. And take care. Yeah. I'm just getting warmed up. Please don't try this. It's been years that I have used cycle, or in Mozambique it's known as bike. It's been years I have not used this, so please don't try this. These are some of the visuals of the skating park, which is in Maustung Road. Adjacent to this, there is a running track. Athletes come over here. Even we can go and run over there, but shoes and all those things are mandatory over there. You can't enter the track without that. Just some footage of those things. Most of the sports activities happen here. There's a rugby club. So let's get started. Bye. Fam, this footage was taken on a different day. This is the way to the Costa del Sol. Can you see the white vehicle which is in front of me? That is known as Shapa over here. In Kenya it is known as Matatu, I guess. But here it's Shapa. This is the most easiest and most convenient mode of transportation in Mozambique and across Maputo. Everywhere like people use this. It costs like one Shapa trip cost you, depending upon the kilometers, is like 10 miticash to 15-20 miticash. But it's the most easiest and most convenient way. This is Hotel Radisson Blu. It's in front of the beach, Costa del Sol. And the building is like very beautiful. This is Gloria Mall. It's one of the most famous hotel, or like the most beautiful place over here. You can see Chinese hotel, they have casino attached to this, and we are traveling in this cycle. Yeah, it's kind of fun. I'm riding cycle for the first time in Mozambique, and that too in these roads. It's fun actually. It's quite refreshing. Should be careful, like there might be some robbers, like they will just take your cycle and just cycle, or like not cycle actually, they might be they'll be taking your phone like that. We should be careful over here. There's some more riders behind me, cyclists. The roads are empty today because it's Sunday. All by this time there would have been some rush. This side is Costa del Sol. This whole is Costa del Sol. So fam, that side is the beach. That side is the beach. And we are just traveling in the cycle. It's around 5:30 in the morning, and I'm just traveling. You can see riders. People from 30-40 kilometers also travel to Costa del Sol in the morning to see the sunrise. What you see on the left side is Casino Polana, and I think it's not allowed to shoot there. Sorry. It's been a long time that I have tried this cycle. I'm just getting tired. As you can see, I haven't cycled. This hotel Marna Braza, it has some good Portuguese seafood over here. I'll just come here one day, I'll show you this place. You can see this Vodacom advertisement, it's stressed throughout the road. What you see on the left hand side is the Makunde artwork. It has got some beautiful artworks.
In my intro video I had shown some clips from Makonde artwork. You can just check that. And we are about to reach Baia Mall. This is the biggest mall in Mozambique.
So fam, we are about to reach Baia Mall. It's the biggest mall in Mozambique, Maputo, and it's located like 3 kilometers from my home. See, this is the Baia Mall. As you can see, it's on the Baia Mall. They have like a lot of showrooms there. LG showroom is there, Fashion World, Pep. Lot of things are there. Game supermarket is there, Spa supermarket is there. There's some good restaurants over here. Once I'll just come here, I'll show you the restaurant over here. It's a pretty good place. It's a must visit place if you come to Mozambique, because this is the only place. See, that's Baia Mall. What you see is Baia Mall written over there. Game is a supermarket chain over here. They have a lot of like supermarkets, huge supermarkets over there. So fam, we have reached Costa del Sol, and this is my friend. The cycle is his. So this is a cycle, and he borrowed me for one day, and he's asking me to buy a new cycle so that we can every day we can go for this rides. Let me see. I'm not sure right now, but let's try. This is the place. As you can see, I'll just show you. I'll just turn the camera. It's totally empty here. Empty. Look at this. I'll show you some of the drone shots from here. The place is beautiful, the water, crystal clear waters. I'll just show you everything over here. Let's start with some of the drone shots. Oh, we got a company for the drone shot. That's a police who is coming behind us. I don't know whether he will create a problem or not, but let's see he doesn't create any problem. Let's wait and watch. What you see behind me is Gloria Mall. Gloria Mall is attached with Marina Casino, and it is also close to Radisson Blu Hotel. This whole way, like we can see Market do Peixe. Market do Peixe, like you can buy fresh fish, and they'll grill and they'll prepare for you the fishes, all those things. I'll be having an episode on that also, Market do Peixe. Thank you for watching fam. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and share it to your friends. More new updates are coming from Mozambique, Maputo. I'll be showing you the local central market and local market, Shipamani market, all those things, different places in Mozambique, the beautiful beaches, everything. So please share it to your friends, and this is Maputo Mallu signing off. Take care, have a good weekend, be safe.